You can now become a member of Small Space Organizing right here on YouTube. What is a YouTube member, you may ask? Well, basically it's a way for you to support Small Space Organizing by giving a little donation every month. As a thank you for being a supporter of the channel, I've set up 2 levels. The first one is called Supporter, and you get the priority replies, as well as a special little mark next to your name whenever you comment here on YouTube. Of course, also my big thank yous. The second level I've created for you, I've called Small Space Organizer. In addition to all the stuff from the first level, you will also get a little thing that I call Space Saving Rolls, Folding Laundry Guide. So what is this guide? Well, it's basically a PDF that you download on your phone or computer or wherever. And you can, well, whenever you have problems with any folds, you can tap whatever you're having a problem with. And you get a step-by-step instructional guide here from me with illustrations. Also, you can tap up in the corner here and you can open a specific YouTube membership video where you basically get step-by-step instructions in video format as well. It's just an easy way for you to do laundry and learn how to fold like a pro in literally a few minutes. So if you decide to support the channel, you have my biggest gratitudes. But don't feel pressured to do it. I really appreciate you as a viewer and I hope you enjoy the content, whether you decide to support or not. So I'll see you in the next video.